I just got home and I have a package waiting for me.
You know, I don't know what it's for. Could it be for my car? I don't think so. Oh, I'm so excited, honestly. Let's bring this shit upstairs.
At fun_fob, I believe, I will put a little thing somewhere around here. But yeah, I ordered these really not even a week ago, and shit's already at my doorstep. I'm so hyped. So, I got new taillights. Should be a pretty straightforward process, so yeah, let's get to doing it. These noises do not sound pleasant. Nope. Maybe? Nope. Alright, what time is it? I gotta go to the hardware store. Alright, so I ended up not having to go to the hardware store. I found these little Allen Torx. A hard tug gets it out apparently. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay. I'm so excited to have these in. While it's in, I'm gonna see if they even turn on. I can't tell if it's on or not, but yo, it is. It's fucking lit. Okay.
That looks awesome.
Wow, would you look at that? I actually did it.
Let's start it up, go outside, maybe give it a
Nice good wash. Until the next video.